Hey guys, this is Taylor from the Bushnell trail camera team. I'm here to walk you through first time use and setup of your Bushnell trail camera. I have the Cellucor Live camera here with me, but this also applies to the Cellucor 20 series cameras as well. So right out of the box, you'll have the camera, the cellular antenna, the tree strap, and the user manual. Looking a little bit closer at the camera here on this side, you have a solar pack attachment port. This side is the cellular antenna attachment. As you open up the access hatch here on the bottom, you have the IMEI QR code that you'll use for product setup later on. This little visual guide helps you understand what these LEDs and what the indicator lights mean. There's the power eject drawer button right here. That's where you'll load your batteries in. I like to go through first time setup with my cellular camera in an area with good cellular coverage. This lets me know that everything is all set up and good to go when I get out into the field. So first thing you'll do is go into your app store and download the Bushnell Trail Camera app. Inside the app, you'll need to sign in or create an account. When you're logged into the app, you'll be taken to this home screen. Down across the bottom, you have images and devices and the settings menu. So if we press on devices and add camera, we can get started adding this new camera to our account. Adding the camera to your account is broken into 3 steps. Register and subscribe, connect with your camera, and deploy your camera. So first, register and subscribe. To make the setup process a little bit easier, we've added a QR code to quickly add this device to your account. Scan QR code now. You can also name your camera something convenient to remember later. Northfield. Next, you'll be taken to a page to add your cellular subscription. If this is the first time setting up this device, you'll have the free trial option available for you. Next, you'll be taken to the payment portion to set up the auto renew feature for that subscription. Next, we'll move on to connecting your camera with your account. Before you get started, you're prompted with a few things that you'll want to go over and make sure that you have before trying to connect with your camera. At this part of the process, I like to have my camera turned on so that I can see that it's communicating with the servers. So first thing, we'll connect this cellular antenna and power on the camera and watch these lights as it's connecting. So here on this page, there's some helpful information that's trying to be exposed for you. This is telling me that the storage card that I've selected is not compatible with my camera. Here on this page, we can see a status overview of your trail camera. If you see that a firmware update is required, you can visit the link shown here on this page for instructions on how to manually apply that update, or you can leave your trail camera on overnight and it will automatically apply that update for you. Press OK when you're ready. The last step here is for deploying your camera or putting it out in the field. Once again, you're presented with this status overview for your trail camera just to make sure that everything is all squared away before you deploy. And when you're deploying this camera in the field, there's a few different ways available for mounting. The easiest way is by using the adjustable strap run through the back mold right here. We've also attached a 1/4 inch threaded nut on the back side and on the underside for tripods or other camera mounting options. For a more permanent installation, you can also run a steel cable through the slots here. When you're finished mounting your camera, it's important to check your work before leaving the area. What I like to do is trigger an image and check inside the mobile app to make sure that the camera is capturing the right area. I hope this video has been helpful for first time use and setup with your Bushnell trail camera. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at bushnell.com.